Cap 26 here. We just do the repair and tips, and we've got an exciting video today for you. Wanted to know how much caulk comes out of a caulking gun in one squeeze. We'll put this on here, and then we'll tear it out, if I can see it. Okay, and then we got the caulking gun all set, and let's just squeeze that trigger. See how much comes out. It's gonna move on me. I gotta hold it. It's gonna move. One squeeze. Let's read it out here. $61.5. 61. So not quite an ounce. Less than an ounce, okay? So there's the reading there. So now you know how much comes out of a caulking gun in one squeeze. Okay? If somebody out there could tell me, read that off to me, would be nice. But I want to know how much would come out in one squeeze. Caulking gun. Also, when you cut your tip off, you know, with the little cutter here, so you take it like this and you stick it in the end here. It's kind of hard to see with the looking through the camera. Then you take a piece of masking tape and put it over that and close it up like that. You cut it with this right here. You can cut it with the trigger. So I want to show you that. I hope you have a great day. Please rate, subscribe, give me the thumbs up. And now you know about, a shot glass full of caulk comes out when you dispense it out of the tube. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.